Lesson 27, page 632, session 4. We are adding tens to any number. Here we have problem 2. 20 black cars and, here's a joining word, 32 white cars. What is the total number of cars? 20 is a number that does not have to be broken apart into expanded form. Here we have the number 20. If I did do that for expanded form, I know that there is a tens and a ones place. The tens place has the number 2 in it. The value of 2 tens, 20. So 20 equals 20 plus the value of the ones place. How many ones are in the number 20? 0. So 20 plus 0 is the same as writing 20. So I do not need to break apart 20. I can break apart the number 32 into expanded form. So here 32 becomes a whole, and we break apart 30 and what to make 32. If you take 32, make a tens and ones chart, you have the value of 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, right? Plus the value of the ones place, 1, 1, 2 ones. So I get 2 ones here. So now I can add 2 tens plus 3 tens equals how many tens? What's 2 plus 3? 5 tens, good. Plus, don't forget to add the ones place. How many ones were there? 2. So my answer is 52. There are 52 cars. Problem number 3 says 29 small ants and 30 big ants. How many ants are there? What is wrong? Here it says 20 plus 9 plus 3 equals 32. First things first, let's go back to the story problem. It says 29 small ants. 29. And 30 big ants. 30. How many ants are there? So we're looking at the joining word, which is and, saying that I'm going to add 29 as a part and 30 as a part to get to the whole. So I'm adding 29 plus 30. Okay? I can break apart the number 29 by looking at the tens and ones. The number 29 is a 2-digit number. It has a tens place and a ones place. The tens place has 2 tens. What is the value of 2 tens? 1 10, 2 tens. We have to count by tens to get to that total. So 10, 20. So I have 20 plus the value of the ones place. How many ones are there? 9. So I have 20 plus 9. Am I done? No, I still have to bring down the number 30, right? I can look at the number 30 as tens and ones as well. 30 has 3 tens. It also has 0 ones. So I have 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, which has a value of 30. Then you add the value of the ones place. Over here, there are 0 ones. So I could write plus 0 if I want to. But when I add 0 to any number, I'm going to get the total of the sum of all of the parts, which would be the same as if I did not add any more numbers, 0 more after I get to the total. So now I have 20 plus 9 plus 30. Up here it says, what is wrong? 20 plus 9 plus 3. What did they do with the number 3? Why do they have 3? We have 30 or 3 tens. Oh, they didn't look at the number 3 as tens. They looked at the 3 like 3 ones, but that was not how many ones were there. So now I'm going to add 20, 1 10, 2 tens, plus 30. I'm going to change my color. 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens. Now I have 5 tens. And then how many ones? 9 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new line, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now I have a total of 5 tens and 9 ones, 59. I'm going to circle my answer. Is 59 the same as 32? No, this is where they went wrong. Last problem. Problem number 4 says 25 blue butterflies and 50 brown butterflies. How many butterflies in all? So here is my joining word, and. That means 25 is a part and 50 is a part. How many butterflies in all? So I'm going to add 25. 25 can be broken apart, right? Because there are ones in the number 25. So if I have 2 tens, I have a value of 20. And 5 ones, 20 plus 5 is 25, right? Then I'm going to bring down my 50 plus 50. And now I can add all of my tens together. Here I have the number 20, 10, 20, plus the number 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So that gives me a total of 7 tens and how many ones? So I did that number and this number. How many ones do I have here? 5. My total is 75 butterflies. So just looking at that number 25 that has a tens and a ones, I can break that apart by saying it in expanded form, 20 and 5.